Chris, patuloy pa ring humihiling ng dasal. Sa kanyang social media account, sa pagdiriwang ng Mother's Day, buong pusong pinasalamatan ni Chris Aquino ang kanyang kaibigan na si Ann Binay na nagdiwang ng Mother's Day kasama ang pamilya at ang anak ni Chris na si Joshua. Dito ay nag-update din si Chris sa lagay ng kanyang kalusugan at humiling na sana ipagdasal pa siya sa lagay ng kanyang puso. To my most trusted friend at Ann Binay who celebrated her birthday, Mother's Day together with her ate, Senator at Nancy Binay, thank you for being so welcoming to Kuya Josh and making him an adopted member of your clan. Hello to Lola BP and to Lola Doc. It's been a test of courage type of weekend. I had a consultation with a port doctor in UCLA, this time a cardiologist. It's the start of Mother's Day here, and moms have never been cowards. In this instance, please help me pray for good health for all moms, and a very brave heart for yours truly. Details when I'm ready, and when my complete test results are in. And the best friend anyone could wish for. Thank you for the unwavering love for Kuya, Bim, and me, and for keeping all my secrets close to your chest. Samantala, isang manunulat na malapit kay Chris na si Dindo Valares ang naghayag na may problema umano sa puso si Chris at ito umano ay ayon sa napag-usapan nila ni Chris. Ayon pa kay Dindo, patuloy ding nagpapaabot ng pasasalamat si Chris sa mga walang sawang nagdarasal para sa kanya. Can you please thank everyone praying for me? There's a problem with my heart, Kuya Dindo. Genetics. Very high cholesterol and triglycerides that at this point can't be treated because I am underweight, 91 pounds. My blood pressure is misbehaving. I am normally 145 over 122 with a heart rate of 110 to 130. Is the diastolic and heart rate na scary? Kuya Dindo, let's focus on this. My autoimmune is finally responding to the methotrexate. Finally, and the good air quality in Newport Coast. Can you please thank everyone praying for me? Magaling talaga the combination of medicine I'm being given. It's just that after the methotrexate and Dupixent, I am super bagsak for 4 days. UCLA is very impressive. We don't have Dupixent at home. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.